Do you know what's better than owning a property? Owning a property that's worth more than you paid for it. If you're looking to add value to your home, you're in the right place. Welcome to Berkeley Builds. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ben. I've got nearly 2 decades of experience in construction. I now work as a building inspector. I'm going to share with you exactly what I've learned about property. So stick around and let's get into it. Curb appeal. Firstly, let's talk about the look of the property. The exterior is the first thing your potential buyer will see, so it's really important to make a good first impression. Changing a property's curb appeal doesn't have to cost the earth. Simple things like painting the front door, trimming hedges, a few potted plants, even just tidying the garden can go a long way. If you really want to go the extra mile, you can do this by upgrading the windows to double glazing, fitting a more secure front door, or repointing the brickwork. Curb appeal can increase a property's value from anywhere from 5 to 20%. Renovate and modernise. Now let's move inside. Another area that can be low cost can be the interior. Renovating the interior can significantly increase the value of your property. This could be as simple as fitting new internal doors, redecorating, or new flooring and lighting. If your kitchen or bathroom is outdated, consider upgrading them. You could fit a new bathroom suite, new cupboard doors, or even a new worktop to give it that modern look. You can also modernise your property by installing smart technology. Renovating the interior can increase its value by anywhere from 10 to 20%. Adding space. Adding space to your property can increase its value. If you have a loft that's collecting dust, consider converting it into an extra bedroom or a home office. You can also convert your garage, and if you have the budget for it, adding an extension can increase your property's value and square footage. Remember, just because you can add an extension, it doesn't mean you should. Do your research, because every house on every street has a ceiling price, and you don't want to exceed that, because you run the risk of not seeing a return from your investment when you come to sell the property. Adding more space to a property can increase its value from anywhere from 10 to 20% for extensions and loft conversions, or 5 to 10% for garage conversions. More energy efficient. Making your home more energy efficient isn't only good for the environment, but it can save you money on utility bills and increase the value of your property. A property's energy efficiency is rated using an EPC, with a scale from A to G, with A being the best. This outlines what energy bills might cost for that property. To improve your EPC rating, you can consider installing double glazing, adding insulation, or upgrading your heating system. Making your house more energy efficient can improve its valuation by up to 14%. Landscaping. If your property has a garden, it's important to maintain it. A well-maintained garden can significantly increase the value of a property, not to mention give it more curb appeal. Consider adding some flowers, planting a tree, installing a new patio, or even some new turf. Landscaping a garden can increase a property's value by an average of 10%. Parking. If your property doesn't have dedicated parking or a garage, consider adding one if you have the space. This could coincide with your landscaping and add to your curb appeal, because having a dedicated parking space can be a big selling point to a potential buyer. Adding a parking space can increase a property's valuation between 5 and 10%. And if you create a well-designed and functional garage, this can increase the valuation up to 20%. Now you've heard 6 ways you can increase the value of your property. Let me know in the comments which one you're most likely to do. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and check out this video next. I didn't put any puns in this video.